Hello everyone, it's Lily, and right now I'm outside because soon I'm going to this group I'm in called Shockwave, and pretty much what it is it's kind of like a group where you sing and dance, and it's with older kids too, so it's like with 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th, and almost like most people are older than me, but yeah, and this is our last practice until the concert. And I'm really excited kind of, but at the same time I'm not, because I'm nervous because I don't really know if I know the whole dance. And it's just gonna be a really busy week because tomorrow I'm going to I'm doing step up day, and it's this like thing where we go to the school that we're going to next, like, yeah, and then we get to like learn about it, ask questions and stuff. And then also Friday we're going on, my class is going on a field trip, and all the classes are, and it's to this place, and it's gonna be fun. We're gonna do archery, and like we're gonna go kayaking and stuff, so that seems really fun, and I'm excited, so yeah.
Okay, so I dropped Lily off at Shockwave. I think she explained what it is. It's like a singing and dancing group, and I have to pick her up at 6 o'clock. It is 5:40, but I'm gonna leave now because I want to try to record her while they're practicing, and I know she'll probably get embarrassed, but I don't care. I want to get some video of her practicing, and then we have to leave the middle school at 6 o'clock to go to the high school because her soccer practice starts at 6. So on Wednesday she's a little bit late, but it's all right. What are you doing, Cersei? Do you want to show them? Are you being bad? Are you being bad? So are you done?
5 minutes. I don't know what we're doing.
Wait, did she say you could leave?
No.
So I didn't get to videotape you practicing.
Shoot, she gave me one of those papers, like, you know, that had the tickets. I don't know what I... Shoot,
Okay, so I didn't get to record you in there.
yeah, good.
Alright, let's go.
Are you videotaping me right now?
Yes.
Oh, hey. Oh, can I wear the shirt, or should I wait because I'm gonna be...
Yeah, don't wear it now.
Why? I can wash it. It's not until June.
It is June. It's June 1st.
Yeah, but it's not until like June
6th, I think, right? Wait, is this the only paper, or did I drop something?
No, you didn't drop it. Bye, Ryan.
Okay, so now it's time for soccer. All right, let's see your shirt for Shockwave. Oh yeah, cover it up.
Okay, so this is what we're doing because it's like...
Yeah, but doesn't it just say WS or WLMS? Nobody's gonna know what that means. Yeah. You know how many different towns probably start with a W? Okay,
so this...
Aladdin?
Yeah, well, so we were supposed to get Shockwave shirts, but for some reason they sent like these ones, which they were not supposed to send, and she like called them and she's like, what are you talking about? It's supposed to say Shockwave, and they're like, no, you ordered it like this. She's like, no, I didn't, but it's too late now, so we're just gonna have the same shirts as everyone else. Oh, and guess what?
Oh, because everybody else in Shockwave is wearing those? I mean, yeah. The concert?
Yeah, but Mom, I'm so confused because she said, oh, I think that we're gonna have the kids in this, because tomorrow's step up day, perform Shockwave. I don't know if we're performing or just them.
Well, I hope not.
Because that doesn't make any sense.
Okay, so we have to be at soccer in 3 minutes, so we're gonna go get ready. I just dropped Lily off at soccer, so she'll probably be there for an hour and a half, and then I'm gonna do dinner and hopefully figure something out to do today. Or tonight after Mallory's home. She's at a softball game. Let's go see what Brian's doing.
Go.
What are you doing?
clean up this nasty garage so I can work.
Holy moly. That is messy. This is horrible. Hey, who's that? So, I think I want to do the chicken breasts for dinner instead.
Yeah, you're gonna defrost them.
Yeah.
You're gonna do it in hot water.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna go work on the computer a little bit on that thing I was doing last night.
Okay. The other thing I wanted to do maybe tonight after we do whatever we're gonna do outside is...
Wait, we are doing something
I
outside?
don't know.
Thought we were gonna, because we're not gonna have like any daylight. By the time we eat dinner, it's gonna be like 8 o'clock.
Okay. Well, I didn't know if you wanted to work on that sign for the wedding. Like painting.
How are we gonna have any time to do that?
Huh?
How are we gonna have any time to do that?
I don't know. Whatever you want.
Alright, so we just finished eating dinner, and I got done with soccer practice earlier today, and this is what we had. We had chicken and asparagus, and that was really good, and I think later we are going to get ice cream. So excited about that. Since forever until I realized, well, until I went into the play.
Yeah, but you like singing and dancing.
No, I do not in front of people.
But you like
So then what's the
other
point of
thing
singing
that
and
you're
dancing?
doing.
Wait, what other thing?
Whatever you're doing, whatever it's called.
The play?
Shockwave?
Oh, Shockwave? Yeah, but it's different. So we didn't have
Yeah, but
to
that's
try
so
out.
dumb that they printed your shirts wrong, because now it's gonna look like
Family argument about Lily.
Because now it's gonna look like they're in our concert, but she's not.
Because
I
she
am-
didn't,
we're gonna-
No,
because
I
she
know
didn't
that you're
want
gonna
to do
have concert, you're not gonna
Shockwave,
sing
and then
Aladdin
when she
songs.
started doing it,
No,
then
you're
she
not.
liked it, and now
You
she's
better.
nervous
You're
about
not even
somebody
singing.
But guess what?
singing.
Yes, we are. What are you talking about?
I thought that you guys were just dancing to it, because like you would always do. Okay, never mind.
And guess what? The boys, when they sing, no one sings. You can't even hear them.
Yeah,
Anyway,
that's how it
we're
is in
going to
our
go get
chorus,
ice
too,
cream.
until we're like actually
We're
at
going to
concert.
the it's
Dairy-
like Dairy Queen, but in where we live, it's called Dairy Queen, Dairy Cream, Dairy Cream. Oh geez, yeah. There's a lot of people here. Oh my gosh.
No.
There's
No,
like
you-
4
No, because people are sitting
people.
over there.
Dairy
Oh,
Cream.
yeah.
That doesn't mean that there's a long line.
We are here. Woo. Lily, what are you gonna get at Dairy Cream? Lily.
Freaking parked right on top of a dead bird.
Ew, are you serious?
Look. No, I don't know. That's sad. Kill myself.
Oh no. Do you know what you're getting at? What? Holy moly, that's a loud train. What'd you get, Lil?
Oh my god, great.
Yeah, I
Missed out on our acoustic cafe with Rachel.
Lily, eat both at the same time.
You can head out to our website, 965tic.com. Grab all the pictures, videos, artist interviews. It's all up on our website.
I don't like this.
What, the pistachio one? I know it's gross.
I don't.
Mallory's stuck with it.
No, Mom, I'm not feel about wasting food. Take it.
Oh, Mallory's throwing it out.
Oh, I kind of missed.
Oh, you totally missed. Lily, I can't believe you just threw out food.
Mom, I feel so bad.
You shouldn't have done that. I can't believe you would waste food like that.
You literally told me to throw it out.
Lily, tell everybody your music leading. Hi.
Divergence into reception.
Wait, is that song?
Huh?
Is this that song?
Yeah.
You have chocolate all over your face. I got you. Oh, this is the song I did the musically to.
Yeah.
Look at how exciting Brian looks.
I know.
He's like,
We can.
they shut the lights off on us. What?
No, my eyes tear gone. I was trying to teach her how to do a leap, but this is what she did. She went like this, and then her ice cream fell out.
Are you serious? Let me see you do a leap, Lily.
Okay.
Okay, do the chasse leap.
What's it?
The chasse is just this.
Isn't there a dance like that? Wait, isn't there a dance like that?
You go like this. You go. Chasse.
Oh my god, wait, do that again, Lily. Do this, the first part again.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I look